Welcome to our showdown of Skytech Gaming PCs. Today, we're comparing the Nebula Gaming PC, featuring the powerful NVIDIA RTX 4060, against the more budget-friendly Nebula with the RTX 3050. Both systems boast impressive specs, but which one will come out on top? Let's find out! When it comes to gaming performance, the Skytech Gaming Nebula with the RTX 4060 outshines its counterpart with the RTX 3050. The RTX 4060 delivers superior frame rates, especially in demanding games, allowing for smooth gameplay at high settings. On the other hand, the RTX 3050 still performs admirably for 1080p gaming, but you may notice lower frame rates in more graphically intensive titles. Overall, if you prioritize high performance, the RTX 4060 is the clear winner. Price is always a crucial factor in any purchase decision. The Skytech Gaming Nebula with the RTX 4060 is priced at $849, while the RTX 3050 model is more budget-friendly at $749. While the RTX 4060 offers better performance, the RTX 3050 provides a solid gaming experience at a lower cost, making it an attractive option for those on a tighter budget. Ultimately, your choice will depend on how much you're willing to invest for enhanced performance. Both systems have received positive feedback from users, with the RTX 4060 version boasting a rating of 4.5 out of 5 from 630 reviews, while the RTX 3050 model also holds a 4.5 rating but from 293 reviews. Users have praised the performance and build quality of both PCs, although some reported minor assembly issues. Overall, both systems offer great value, but the RTX 4060 model tends to be favored for its superior performance in gaming. In conclusion, both the Skytech Gaming Nebula with the RTX 4060 and the RTX 3050 have their strengths. The 4060 is perfect for gamers seeking top-tier performance, while the 3050 is a fantastic option for those looking for a more affordable gaming experience. Whichever you choose, you can expect great performance and value from Skytech Gaming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.